So there's a lot of concern about shortages of PPE for healthcare workers due to the COVID-19 pandemic. So we figured out we could make face shields pretty easily with materials we could find without too much trouble. So First Coast Home Pros has put our people to work building these so we can donate these face shields for health workers during this crisis. First, we went to some of the hardware stores here in Jacksonville and bought a bunch of this 1 1/4 by 1 1/4 inch foam weather stripping for window air conditioners. It comes in 42-inch sections, which we cut into 5 equal pieces of, I think, 8.4 inches each. Using this size foam, the 1 1/4, is important because it helps keep the shield off the wearer's nose, away from their face. We used 1-inch double-sided tape to apply to the foam and then attach it to the face shield itself. Any double-sided tape would probably work, but we used the heaviest duty stuff we could find. It says for mounting up to 15 pounds. It gets attached in the center of the long side of the shield. More on the shield in a minute. Leaving about 1 1/4 inches on either side. We then staple a 13-inch section of 1/2 inch elastic we had on hand to the shield on both sides. Elastic's a little hard to get right now. We put 2 staples on each side parallel to the foam and with the sharp end of the staples facing in, so then they'll be covered by the foam during use. For the shield itself, we first tried using a bunch of laminating pouches we already had on hand, but when we tried running these through the laminator with nothing in them, they turned out bubbly and cloudy. So instead we went to some office supply stores and bought up standard 8.5 by 11 projector transparency film sheets. Note that we did go ahead and trim the corners just to remove the sharp points so they don't poke anybody in the eye. You can see they fit pretty well. We've tested them on various head sizes. They look and feel pretty similar to actual face shields we've seen healthcare workers already wearing. They just need to be sterilized before use and should be good to go. While these homemade shields aren't actual medical grade PPE by any stretch, they should work in a pinch. Thanks very much for checking out our video. Good luck and be safe.